Let's check it out. We got the sound of animals fighting. A Pretty Like Cake, requested by Dintu. Let's give it a listen. Here we go. Incoming. Brace yourself. Live stream going down, imminent. Oh. Oh, those deep bass tones. Man. Some ambient, almost retro synth wavy stuff. Black flags in the night flutter, blind birds crying for the cutter. Vocals are cool. I like the style. My God, spreading like sin. My boy, sweet cinnamon. It's got a flow to it. Glowing from within because the bones all break and pretty like cake. You're not the mother. You're not the mother. Oh my gosh, that's just flowing across my headphones. Vocals are cool. I'm down with this. It's almost got that sort of like record skip feel. I like that. Yeah, it's a very like sci-fi kind of beat. It's cool. Yeah, is Anthony Green in here? Is he on the cleans? I can't tell. Doesn't sound like him at all. But this instrumental is cool. The way that's kind of like that chimey echo going on. Yeah, it didn't sound like him at all. I didn't think it was him. That was a pretty cool song though. Very different, but it had like, it was like a sci-fi kind of vibe. Yeah, I really like that. Those really deep bass tones, and then you had those futuristic synthy sci-fi kind of like sounds going out throughout the back, and the way they would kind of sweep across the headphones or kind of ping and echo off into the distance. I mean, that was just like a really fun kind of groovy beat to listen to, but the vocal style was cool. I like that sort of almost just like talking kind of whisper droney kind of vocal style, and then you have some of those higher cleans come in and get a little bit of that like reverb and stuff going. And it was a very just kind of spacey, vibey kind of song. But yeah, it was pretty cool. Definitely very different, but very cool.
What is up, YouTube? If you want a chance to win a live song request, then be here on Sundays at 5 p.m. Eastern. We're streaming marbles on stream. You'll get a marble. It'll run the obstacle course, and if you're lucky enough to win, you'll get a song request of your choice. It is a blast, guys. So many people show up. I've discovered so many new bands doing this. It's just something fun, different than the day-to-day stuff on the channel. There'll be links down below to the Discord where you can join, find out how to enter the races. We're always in there chatting, memeing, talking anything about music. It is so freaking fun, guys. So I will see you there. And as always, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much. and I will see you on the next one.